Here we are here on a 2015 Corolla. As you can tell, we got the maintenance required light popped up. So what we're going to do is we're going to reset it. So first thing you need to do is go onto your display, change it to trip A right there. So then you're going to turn off the vehicle all the way off. Then you're going to, what you're going to do is right before you turn the vehicle on, don't crank it up. Just turn it where the accessory will come on and all the lights will flash up. You're going to press and hold the DISP, which is the display button. Press and hold and then crank it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press and hold and then we're going to crank it. Well, take that back. Rewind. We're going to turn the key on, not crank the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and hold it. Press and hold it right there, don't let go, and then you're going to turn it all the way and you'll see disappearing. There you go. Then you let go and you turn the vehicle on and the light is gone. That's it. So anything else, just holler back at us. Thanks for watching.